Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to smooth your face in Snapseed app. App link is in the description. This is before and this is after. So, let's start the video. Click here. Choose your photo from the gallery. Click here. Now click here. Adjust as you like. Click here. Now we are going to clean the face. Click here. Now click here. Now tap over the spot like this. Click here. You can see the face is clean. Now we are going to smooth the face. Click here. Now click here. Transition 0, Vignette Strength 0, and Blur Strength HT10. Set it in the corner. Click here. Now click here. Now brush over the face. Click here. Now you can see the face smooth result. Click here. Click here. Now brush over the face from this side. Click here. Now we are going to black our background. Get the exposure amount in 0.7. Now brush over the background. Click here. You can see the result. Click here. Now click here. Get the temperature amount 8 and tint amount 3. Click here. Now this is our final result. Click here to save the photo. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys are watching this video on Facebook, then follow my page and Instagram too. Everything's link is in the description. Thanks for watching.